The Union Cabinet has approved an allocation of 11,718 crore rupees for conducting India's Census 2027, marking the country's first fully digital census. The decision was taken at a cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said the 2027 exercise will also include caste enumeration for the first time. Nearly 30 lakh officials will be involved in the nationwide process, making it one of the largest administrative exercises undertaken in the country. This will be India's 16th census since independence. Citizens will be given the option to self-enumerate with data collection carried out through mobile applications. The previous census scheduled for 2021 was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The census will be conducted in two phases. The first phase, covering house listing and housing census, will take place from April to September 2026. The second phase, population enumeration, is scheduled for February 2027. In snowbound and remote regions such as Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, and parts of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, population enumeration will be completed by September 2026. The government has assured that strict data protection and privacy laws will be followed. All census data, including caste-related information, will be collected digitally and made available to ministries in a secure, machine-readable and usable format under the Census as a Service framework.